And we're back! This is the next day! Time for PC building, featuring help with my brother, who is behind the camera. He's debating. Can you just get over here and pass me my motherboard? Ta-da! We have MSI X570 motherboard. We have screwdrivers and scissors and a container for our mini little screws. So this is our lovely little motherboard, which is not very little. Please tell me that thing is recording.
Yeah, it is. No, I'm just making sure if they can see or not, because I think it might be too far.
So we gently take our motherboard out of its box. I'm gonna take the wires out. And place them here.
Let's take everything out. Everything.
Everything?
Yes.
All these little things too?
Yes, you need all of it.
Okay. All these little things will come out too. I am grounded. I have a, what's it called? Don't I have to put this on top of the box?
No, not necessarily. I just want to make sure that everything's out of the box.
So, I don't have to cut this open, I don't think. Yeah, there's tape on the back though, so I'm just gonna attempt to take this off very gently. Voila! It's out. Oh my god. Ta-da! Let's put that in. This is our lovely motherboard. That looks dang confusing. What do we do now? This looks so different from the video. What do I do now?
No. Sorry, I'm not getting your shot.
Who cares? I think I may have flipped it a bit when I was taking it out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is our processor. We have the 3rd gen Ryzen processor. Ryzen
3700X.
30 what?
3700X.
He said 3700X. It says it on the box. So we're gonna take our processor, our little box thing here, and we're gonna slot it in there. What a lovely unboxing this is. There's another sheet of paper in here. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Don't care about the papers.
He said don't care.
Be careful.
So we have to be very careful with the processor because it's got little tiny needles on it. And we don't want to damage said needles, so we have to grab it by the sides.
But you failed.
What?
Because you were meant to open that first.
Yep.
Pop out.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Excuse me.
Up.
And up and wait. Where is my I have a little circle. That's what I'm looking for, right?
You want to look for the little triangle, which I already see.
Yep, I see it now.
And you just want to drop it
Oh my god.
without putting
With
pressure.
no force, yep.
Yep.
Ta-da! It slots in.
And all you need to do to make sure.
Not supposed to jostle it around because you could damage the little tiny needles on the process hole. We put the fan. He's so done with this. I can tell now. He's just
You
done.
don't even want to know what I thought I heard. I'll tell you after.
We'll put everything away later. I'm alright with cleaning up. I know we're supposed to keep everything neat, but I'm okay with cleaning up. So this is the cooler that comes with the processor. Oh yeah, I wanted to say, Papa was thinking about like how we're gonna put the case because of how the fan is and my USB stuff. But I don't know what he was trying to say.
Oh, I see. His connections.
Because he thought that the USB was at the back. Well, some of them are.
A lot of them are.
Yeah, but because of the power supply and the plug on the power supply, it'll be slightly forward anyways.
Yeah, you can check it.
There's a thermal thing down here, right? Thermal paste?
Yeah, thermal paste. This is the fun part. This one I haven't done yet either.
Which way do I put it?
That's the fun part.
Okay, so I did see how to put it on in a video, but I'm not sure which way to put it on.
Okay. Oh.
Where's the cooler fan?
No, that's what I need to.
That's this one, right?
Yeah, I just want to make sure the length works. So you can put it on this way.
Okay.
Now this one, what you need to do first is you see the clips on the side here?
Yeah.
You want to put this side...
I mean, there's not one on this side.
Huh? There should be another one here.
I mean,
yeah.
no.
Okay, there.
It's the same one.
No, it's different. Okay, so...
I think we have to take this.
No. Okay. Put it back on the angle. I don't think they can see what I'm doing, but we first need to put this clip in, and it will
Move it this way.
Okay. And then what you need to do here is you just...
We're shimmying it on. There is like 2 clips.
Push it down. Oh shit. Where's that button?
It's already clipped.
No,
Wait,
it's not.
no, it's not.
You need to push it down to clip it. There you go.
There we go, we clipped it.
And then you want to pull this up.
All the way?
Yes. It'll feel very tense.
I don't want to break it. How far are we going? I don't want to freaking break it then. Oh, okay. So we just pull it all the way across.
Your nails on it.
Where? Oh no! Oh, it's fine. No one's gonna see it.
Yeah, that's what you need to do.
I got nail polish scratched onto it.
And to know that it worked.
Ta-da! We got it attached. Were you allowed to touch that when you're not grounded?
Yes, because I'm holding your mat, which you're holding, which means I keep being grounded at the
Okay.
moment.
And I just plug it in, right?
Yep. Don't force it if it doesn't go in. Make sure that everything's aligned. Yep. That's fine. Yep. Okay.
There we go. It's a CPU fan, and that's where you want to plug it in. What?
Don't worry. Continue.
Hiding the wire, kind of. Okay, what's next? I can't remember what's next. Oh, we have a sticker here. I don't know if that's a sticker. It is a sticker.
Yeah, you don't need to put the sticker on.
Oh, but I want to put it somewhere. Can I put it on my case?
Yeah, you can put it on your case if you want to.
I'm gonna put a sticker on my case. Proof that it's Ryzen approved. So let's put this back in the... I know I said I was gonna clean up later, but I want to at least put some things back in its boxes. Okay, so I'm thinking... What's next?
I know, you tell me.
Is it storage, or is it... He's taking stuff away. I can't remember if it's storage or if it's memory first. It's one of these things. It's the one with 2. Is it this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you explain to them what this is? I can't remember.
That is RAM, so that is for memory speed. That also allows you to gain. That's 16 gigs of 3200.
Yeah, so we're attaching them here.
Oh no, that's 32
these
gigs
2.
of 3200. Okay. So that's a lot more than what I would get.
We're attaching in these 2. These 2 clips here.
Now you need to read your motherboard before you start attaching.
It says 1 and 2 here. Well, it says 1 and 2 here, and it's 1 and 2 here.
So which one are you meant to open?
Well, this one and this one. This
So
one and
open
this
it.
one.
Which one?
So this one and this one.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, it says that one. So it's actually these two?
Yep.
So it says that first, and I'm clearly blind.
On the motherboard and in the instructions, there will be slots that say which one goes first.
These are the instructions, right? It says quick guide.
Yes, so that's quick instructions.
Gotta love that these instructions look confusing. Hang on, where's part 2? I don't know, man. Oh, it doesn't say. This is our RAM. Pretty little black things. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
You need to align the notch on the RAM to the notch on the motherboard.
It doesn't matter which one I use first.
No, but you can't touch the PCB.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
And that's why you put it back on. Yeah,
I got it anyway.
But what you would normally do is
Oh
to do
yeah,
this,
okay.
and you
So
just take off this one.
it goes in this way. Logo to fan. So I'm gonna do the closest one first. Did it go in?
Yeah, looks like it does.
Oh my god, clip please! Oh thank god.
Now you need to clip the other side because that side's not clipped in.
Yes it is. Oh. There we go. It's clipped in now. My hands are shaking.
Yeah, well these are one of the most annoying ones to put in. There you go.
Ta-da! RAMs are in. Okay.
Now what?
Now I am thinking we have to do that little thing over there.
Yes, but you also need to do another step before you can put that little thing in.
I have to take this off.
Yeah, take this one off. You want to always go for the top one. So you're going to need some screws.
So this one, right?
Yes. You're going to need some screws to take off 3 screws.
Oh my god, just go freaking in! Ah! So how small are these things? They don't look that small.
They're pretty small.
They don't look very small. If I don't need to use my midget ones, they're probably not that small. They're not that small. That's the wrong one.
What the hell is that?
This is for these. Oh, I have cutters. Oh, that means I don't actually need my scissors. If you don't have tools, go ask your parents or get them to help you. I just have tools just 'cause. They're actually not that tightly screwed in. I'm guessing that's on purpose.
Yeah. Otherwise you'd break the motherboard trying to unscrew it.
I'm guessing that's out.
Magnetic screwdriver is very handy.
But that screw's clearly not that
I
magnetic.
believe you haven't finished on this bugger.
Have I not?
No. So what are these?
Oh! I completely forgot about those. Oh my god. What are these? Where's the instructions? It didn't. Let me see. Installation instructions. Okay, so. Oh, please don't rip. Okay. Oh, it's LED. My thing lights up, my fan lights up. Those are lights. So there is one that's USB header, and then the other one is RGB header.
Yeah, but the question is, now you need your motherboard here.
What?
You need your motherboard's instructions, because you have no idea where RGB goes.
That's a quick installation.
You might need the proper guide.
Where is the proper guide?
The
Is
book.
that just a big book? Oh yeah, we have tiny screwdrivers here. I need to put that there.
The book.
There you go.
Okay.
I mean, that's step 4, so I'm just gonna leave that book in
Normally,
there.
professionals don't need the book because they've built this so many times.
We're clearly not professionals.
Uh,
Where does it attach onto the fan though? Is it on your side?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that needs... Okay. Huh,
Which
okay.
one should we do first, RGB or LED? I mean USB.
What
Or
is-
does it matter
what's the
which
USB?
one?
Okay, wait one sec. Let me hold this page.
So it says option A, USB, and then the option B, RGB.
Yeah, but what does the USB actually do? Plug in the fan header. Okay, option 1. Screwdriver. Yeah, option 2 is... Yeah.
Oh, so I can only attach one of these things anyways, right?
Wait, for users who want to via software... I guess you apply both, yeah.
Oh, okay. And they're both with these little tabs, right?
No, it should be here.
Oh,
I don't think you needed to take that one out.
I just did though. That's a switch. It looks like a switch.
It's not a switch.
Are you sure?
Okay, put it back in.
It
I'm
looks
gonna
like
turn
a
around.
switch. Yep, I'm not gonna put that thing in.
Pass it here.
I'll put it back in. You're grounded, right? Don't touch the plastic.
The plastic is anti-static.
Oh, okay. And there's 2 of these. I'm pretty sure. I don't know which is which.
Yeah, you will. Because when you plug it in,
I'm pretty sure you have to take that thing off. Or no.
wait.
I swear that looks like a switch. Where is my
What the hell is that now? Okay, hold on. So what if I take this out? Okay, maybe you're right. Maybe you didn't just take these out. But then what the fuck is that for?
a switch? I don't know, changing the color?
No, I don't think so. But okay, let's take these away. Put them here.
The fudge is... Oh, I've got a little cushion thing.
And
What the
this needs to go this way in? Yeah. Okay. That's your rubber band to hold this together, so I don't know how we're going to do that part. But we need the other one. What is this one?
Oh, I can have
This is RGB.
these. Look, I have these things.
What is that?
Label cables.
Yeah, you don't need to label the cable.
Well, I don't have to label them, but I could use them to like sticky them on. It looks in.
Okay, so for this one, wait. Okay.
So we can plug it in and see if it fits, and then take it back out so that I can.
This seems probably interesting.
Why is it on the other end?
Well, we have this, which is
USB.
a USB. Oh my gosh.
Which is
all the way down here.
this one. Oh, this one. This is 1, this is 2. So which one do we connect it to?
How is there not one closer?
I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna have to route this like this. Yeah, underneath your shield, which you'll be putting back on.
Can we put it under this shield too?
No, you don't want it to go too far around, but That would be perfect.
One, right?
We'll go for 2 because 1 I think will save it for your motherboard.
Go in, please.
Make sure it's the right way.
It is. Because that's the empty one there.
Okay, then just push it in.
Oh my god, I don't want to break it.
You won't break it.
Oh!
Okay.
It's in.
Okay. So first, we need to install your M.2 storage supply.
Do we need to plug that in?
That's one plugged in up here.
Okay.
I completely forgot about that. So you'll need.
So can we tie that first before we plug it in?
Wait 1 second. See, does it matter which one it comes in? Plug it in this one. Yeah, I'm either being dumb, blind, or idiotic. Okay.
You have to unplug it now so that I can plug it in. I mean, tie it. Oh, wait.
So we'll just tie it like that.
Okay. I can just pull it out, right?
Yeah, you can pull it out, tie it, and then... Now, PCs have a lot of fundamental flaws.
This is just one of them?
This is one of the 20 fundamental flaws.
Oh my god, I can't see what I'm doing.
Okay.
If you don't know how to make a PC, get someone to help you that does.
Have you flipped this around?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, sorry.
Thinking why would it go in? So I need it going over. There you go. There we go.
Voila. I flipped it. Don't flip things.
Yes. That's your storage supply.
Storage supply.
I
There
know.
we go. He said it first, not me. We're supposed to line this up with the normal screw that they have. I'm not supposed to. Okay. This goes in here.
Yes. Should fit in perfectly. Just need to push it in.
Oh my god, these edges are sharp. They're going straight, right? Oh, there we go.
And that's when you know it's installed properly. It's a seesaw.
So I have to...
Now you need a...
screw.
No.
Do I not?
You need to take this back out.
Oh, we have to move that. Move this, right?
You already have one here.
Yeah, so...
No. What? Wait, hold on. Up. You need to return this.
Why?
It's broken.
Wait.
This was not meant to come off. You need to return the motherboard.
Did I?
Nope.